Hey, Thomas, are you getting up on the cooler?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is his new favorite thing. Get up on it. Sit on it. Oh, first we gotta get the bucket. Bucket. Yeah. There's your bucket. You have a lot. That's so fun. Come here. Can you say mama? Mama. Who do you love? You love mama? Mama, you love her? Baba. Where's Daddy? Where is he? Where's Dada? Where's Lizzie? Can you say Izzy? Duh. Dada. Oh yeah, this shovel. We love that. Did ya? We're very busy. Uh-oh. 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 We're all about putting things in buckets and taking them out. Thomas. Hey! Where are you going? No, don't play with that one. No. It makes a fun noise, right? Da 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 da. All day long we could do this. Fun stuff. Bye, Thomas. Bye-bye. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah! Mwah! Blow me a kiss!